Drone with camera 4K, foldable FPV quadcopter drone for children, drone with camera 4K, gesture photo/video, 15 minutes flight time. 4K camera, the mini drone is equipped with a 4K lens that offers you a wide drone field of view, so you can capture wonderful moments at any time. At the same time, the drone also uses advanced real-time transmission technology, and you can enjoy the recordings recorded by the drone in real time via the app 4-channel control and obstacle avoidance function. With its 4-channel control and obstacle avoidance function, this drone offers improved stability and effortless maneuverability. With the remote control, you can easily control your plane in all directions: up, down, forward, backward, left, right, and even roll. Multifunctional, the foldable drone has functions such as gesture photography, optical flow positioning, headless mode, brushless motor, and start/landing at the touch of a button. The drone also has mobile phone control and Wi-Fi functions. Simply connect it to your phone's app or APK system to transfer images and videos taken with the built-in 4K Pixel HD compatible camera in real time. Foldable. Thanks to the foldable design, this quadcopter drone can be easily stored and taken anywhere for aerial photography. Thanks to the 2.4 GHz technology, the drone flight is more stable and has strong anti-interference ability. It can easily navigate in different environments, both indoors and outdoors. What you get: package includes 1x camera drone, 1x remote control, 3x drone batteries, 2x user manual, 4x protective circle, 4x blade, 2x tripod, 1x screwdriver and 1x USB cable.